All right, I've acquired this 5.9. I'm gonna give you a rough video of it, and I want your comment of what to do and why am I showing you the mirror. I've never filmed a video off of my phone, so don't know if it'll work. I just didn't feel like grabbing camera and gear to make a pretty simple video. So I've acquired this Jeep. It's a 5.9. I'm gonna tell you the story towards the end of it, but it's got a bunch of stuff done to it. The guy was trying to sell it, but it needs a lot of work, so he was trying to sell it, but by the time that he paid me or somebody to fix everything that's wrong with it, then it was cheaper to sell it to me at a discount price. So I don't have a ton of money in it for what it is, but I don't know what to do with the thing. So we'll just start going through it. It's obviously the 5.9. It's been trail road. It's not in great shape. It's not in bad shape. Door panel's good. You can see he used it for a trail rig. It's been mud road. Let's see, headliner is just okay. It's starting to fall down. Seats actually ain't bad. You can tell it's got a little mildew, stinky. That side leaks, pretty sure the sunroof drained. So this has been standing full of water. I've done a lot of work to this Jeep for him. It's got the 242, so it's not that all-time four-wheel drive. It's got air lockers front and back. So let's see, I don't want to cut this video. I want one complete video. You can see back here it's been used. Yep. Body's not bad. I mean, it's got a few dents and dings. And of course, he's ripped the 5.9 valence off. And I actually have those in white. But let's see, where else? Got a few dent and dings there. Winch bumper. I think the winch works. If you see the little ding right there, I'll tell you in a second why. 5.9, nothing to see. There's the ARB air locker pump. So it's got that. So what it was, a buddy of mine had a Rubicon Wrangler, and I think I'd just done some work to it, and he fell asleep going home from work, I believe, or to work. Ran it off in a ditch, hit a culvert, front flipped it, and that's why that winch is busted up. So, of course, they totaled it. I wound up with the Wrangler here, and the axles, Rubicon axles, and I'm pretty sure I'd already put the RCVs in it when it was in the Wrangler. So these are the Rubicon 44s. Sorry, I'm running out of breath. Didn't want to cut this video. But when he flipped the Wrangler, he didn't really know what to do with the Wrangler. So he's like, this one already had the long arm in it. So we had those axles sitting there. He's like, can you make them fit? So I can, with a long arm and stuff. So this had already had a long arm with, the 44 aluminum. And then it had the low pinion front end. So, of course, the front end's direct bolt in. And I was able to finesse the joints and all that to make them work with the Rubicon. So, put Rubicon axles under it. And then, of course, if you know much about the Rubicons, they're not the dream come true that everybody thinks they are. The factory air lockers, they suck. So, he was busting them. And I think the front or the rear is better than one. I think the front's good. So, the rear now has the front locker, and the front has the ARB air locker. So it's got air lockers, it's got 513 gears in it, and other than that, I mean, I don't really know what to say. It's not, that's kind of hard because it's got wet and it's kind of shriveled up the leather. So what did I want for y'all from this video? I don't know what to do with the Jeep. I've bought it, and it's obviously gonna sit in there with the rest of my, well, I'll walk in there in just a second, but it's not ever going to be mint, but it's not that bad a shape, so I don't know what to do. I kind of thought about a ton swap rig, and then I was like, well, it's kind of already set up the way it is, so I don't know. I want to read y'all's comments off this. Probably ain't worth putting on my channel. This will be on my side channel, yeah. So yeah, I just want y'all's comment what to do. It honestly would be a good platform to build for just like I guess you'd say like an overland rig. I don't know. Hope y'all got ideas. But I mean, it's gonna be sitting in here. Like I said, I've got tons of projects here and then projects over there and stuff. So ain't no rush. I ain't gotta do nothing with it. 4 minutes and 50 seconds. That's too short for a YouTube video to click on, but it's too long for a short. We'll hear it run, I guess you'd say. I've never did an uncut video. What's it got? 150,000. Got a muffler on it. Yeah. Got big U joints. I think it's got the big U joints in the front end too. So I think it's got 1330s in the front, and then of course it's 5.9. It's got 1330s. Yeah, I think we've got the Rubicon yoke on that one. So it's a pretty set up Jeep. Yeah, got a motor. That's about it. I know it needs a radiator. Still got the factory fan. Needs a radiator, but I didn't want to charge the guy for it. I think that's about it for this. Yeah, that's all I can really think to say. Just kind of curious on what y'all think I should do with it. Like I said, for like overlanding and stuff, I mean, it's already set up. Just a few, probably body armor, maybe rear bumper. I don't know. I've really thought about, like, if it was my opinion on what to do with it, I swear I'd fix it back bone stock, but that's pretty far out there. So yeah, just curious what y'all think. Appreciate you watching. Appreciate you comment if you take your time to leave one. Maybe I should give it away. I don't know. I ain't thought about that. So yeah, have a good day. This is a weird video, but I was just walking around and figured get some of y'all's opinions. Have a good day.